Okay, so in this video we're looking at savings accounts, that everyday account that you keep with your bank. We're looking at one of the two ways that you can calculate the interest on it. This is called the minimum balance method. Now it is by far the easiest way to calculate this interest. How does the minimum balance method work? Basically your bank will look at your bank account over the course of the month, the whole month, find the smallest amount of money you had in there, and then calculate your interest on that amount. Slightly unfair, but it's a really easy, simple way to calculate some interest. Let's take a look at this question so we can see what we're doing. This is a person's bank statement up here. You can see that on the 3rd of the 7th they made a deposit of $100, and that deposit brought their total balance to $337.50. We can backtrack and we can say that at the start of the month, on the 1st of the 7th, they must have had a balance of $237.50 before that deposit was made. Now on the 7th of the 7th, they made another deposit, maybe they got paid or something. They made another deposit of $500, which brought their balance to $837.50. Now you can see on the 21st of the 7th, they made a withdrawal, a pretty big withdrawal of $678.50. Maybe they had to pay the rent. That brings their balance down to $159.50. Now on the 28th of the 7th, finally someone made a deposit, or they made a deposit of $50, which brought their total balance up to $209.50. Now, let's look at the question. The above passbook page, this is their passbook, shows the transactions for July. Find the interest that will be earned in July if the bank pays 7% per annum simple interest on the minimum monthly balance. Now first of all we need to find the minimum monthly balance. Minimum monthly balance. What's the smallest amount, the smallest bit that they had in their account? You can see that from the 21st of the 7th to the 28th of the 7th, the smallest amount they had was $159.50. All interest is going to be calculated on that amount. None of the rest of these numbers mean anything. We're only interested in the minimum balance, $159.50. Now after that, it's really a simple interest formula question. I equals PRT. Now the principal is your minimum monthly balance, which is $159.50. The rate that you're earning, we can find in our question, 7% per annum simple interest, 0.07. And the time, minimum monthly balance. This whole thing is being paid over a month, so our time is just 1/12, 1 month. Now you type all of that into your calculator, and you should get an answer of 0.93. Impressive. So after 1 month, transactions. After 1 month, you will get paid 93 cents on this savings account. That's based upon your minimum monthly balance, which is $159.50. That means that on the last day of this month, it'll be $159.50 plus $209.50, which is the last bit, plus 93 cents. That's how much money you'll have in your bank account.